As the Executive Director of the Special Education Department, I am deeply aware of both the responsibilities and the privileges of this role. With 18% of our student population having individualized education programs, this means that these students also receive special ed services. Families entrust us with their children's education, their safety, and their academic futures. And for too long, the systems designed to support this population have not been enough. Our commitment today is simple. We are rebuilding the system from the inside out. Our families deserve a special education system that they can trust, one that is clear, consistent, and responsive. They deserve a process that identifies the needs accurately, provides service promptly, and communicates transparently. That's the system that we're building. Over the past 2 years, we have begun stabilizing the foundation. We've expanded our pipelines through strengthening our partnerships with the local universities and built intentional structures to support early childhood behavior interventions as well as address social emotional needs. We are still in progress. Our work is complex, but we're committed to the work. Our commitment is unwavering. We are redesigning with students at the center, and we are building structures that will outlast me and those behind us. To our families, we are doing this work with you, not for you. Your experiences matter, your voices matter, and your partnership in shaping the future of San Diego Unified is important to us. Thank you for believing in what is possible and for holding us accountable for every step along this journey. Thank you.